Hello and welcome to Simply CM's channel. Once again we are out eating. This is a pizza joint in Birkerød called something that CM will put in here because I cannot pronounce it. But I come here often because he make good pizza and he got a nice wife. This is the pizza. This is my induja stracciatella. There's some cheese and it's induja on it. This is my wife's pizza. It's a calzone. It's ham and cheese and it is delicious. That is me eating. Wow, what a god, nice shirt and nice hat. Once again. That is yummy. Also, my wife thinks it is yummy. Look at her chopping away. What to do with this one? Yeah, I think you should do exactly that. Dip it, and put it in your mouth and eat it.